students, we are going to study today on the topic of the term and phrase used in the pharmacognosy. So, first of all, we study drug. In the standard dictionary, the drug is the original, simple medicinal substance in the form of organic or inorganic, used by itself or as an ingredient as a medicine. Next one is according to WHO, the any substance used in a pharmaceutical product that is intended to modify or explore physiological system or pathological states for the benefits of the recipient and reduce the side effect. In the pharmaceutical product or the medicine means a dosage form in the form of the tablet, capsule, syrups, intravascular and intramuscular injections containing one or more drugs along with the other substance including during the manufacturing process. Next one is the application of drug for the prevention of a disease, for example vaccines, fight against an infection, example antibiotics, for the temporary blocking of normal functions, for example general and local anesthesia, for the detoxification of the body, for example antidotes. Next one is a diagnostic agent, for example radioisotopes, correction of dysfunctions, for example cardiotonics such as digoxin for the treatment of CHF. Next one is the correction of the hypertension, for example Dolphia root is diazepam for the treatment of the hypertension. Next one is the crude drug. The term crude is used in the relation of the natural product. A crude drug is a natural drug is origin from the plant or the animal which has undergone no treatment other than the collection and the cultivation on the drying. So that is the quality of the appearance of the drug has not been advanced in the value or improved in the conditions by any physical and the chemical treatment. For example, Dolphia root and Richalis leaf. Next one is the indigenous versus naturalized system. In the indigenous system, the plant growing in their native countries are said to be the indigenous systems. For example, aconite in the mountain region of the Europe. The aconite is a highly poisonous used as a diuretic in the homeopathy preparation. Naturalized means the plant are naturalized when they are grown in a foreign land or in a locality other than the native homes. For example, Datura is biological name Datura stramonium, which has introduced in the USA from Europe. Next in the official book, we have prepared the medicines. So in the official book, we have a guideline for the manufacturing, quality control, packaging, storage, dose regimen, indication, contradiction of the different pharmaceutical product medicines for the treatment of the disease. For example, USP, also called as the United States Pharmacopoeia, BP means British Pharmacopoeia, NF means National Formulary, BNF means British National Formulary, BDNF means Bangladesh National Formulary, PPC means British Pharmaceutical Codex, Martindale, Physician Index, and Goodman Gilman, and Indian Pharmacopoeia. Official versus unofficial and non-official drugs. First one is the official drug. Any drug which is included in the pharmacopoeia or in the national formulary or is recognized book is called the official drug. For example, quinine, morphine, codeine, paracetamol are included in the BP, USP, NF and so on. Next one is the unofficial drug, a drug which has been recognized earlier in the pharmacopoeia or in the national formulary or in the recognized book but not found in the current issues is designated as unofficial drugs. So in the unofficial drugs, these substances are executed from the recognized book due to their severe toxic effect on humans. For example, Zacralfate is called as the hyperacidity, mercury compound is in the diuretics, benzoic acid in the preservative. Next one is a non-official drug. The any substance that has never been appeared in the either of the official and unofficial book may be called as the non-official drugs. So in the non-official drug, such type of compound may be published in the current journal have proven clinical value, but we do not know their side effect. For example, curcumin extractive value, the crude mixture of a chemical substance that are removed from the plant or animal by various extraction process are called as the extractive or the derivative. Second one is the secondary metabolite. Those substances are synthesized or produced by the byproduct of the plant during the primary metabolite activities are called as the secondary metabolite. So they are apparently no primary use of the plant. They are therefore also regarded as the waste product of the metabolism, which are usually accumulate in the some part of the plant and the physiologically active on the living organism. Next one is the monogram. Monogram is the prescriptive material penetrating to any drug. It means uh, monogram means therapeutic agent included in the pharmacopoeia, also known as the monogram. So monogram of a drug include the information about the plant, such as the official title, synonyms, definitions, description, collection, cultivation, preparation, identification test for the allergen, method of assay, storage, uses and the dosage form. This is the example of monogram of the fenugreek. Common name is the fenugreek and methi in the Bengali. Cultivation, it is cultivated in the different area of the Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Middle East and Africa. Description, in the Latin species name Phonum graecum means Greek hay, which is the dried plant leaves or the seeds and has a strong hay like a scent. It has a strong, pleasant and a particular odor and grows best in the well-drained soil with a low rainfall into brownish yellow rhombic shaped seeds. Parts use ripe and dried seed. Chemical constituent found in the fenugreek such as mucilase, mainly the galactomannan, fixed oil, fatty acids and the protein. But they also contain the alkaloid, saponin and the glycoside. Use of the fenugreek is as a diuretics and the astringent, but they are properly used in the treatment of the loss of appetite, weight loss, menstrual disorder, also used in the hypertension, diabetics, sexual problem and lower the triglyceride, cholesterol and the low density lipoprotein. For the patient, is daily dose requirement is 18 gram.